Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to build an RC car using an ESP32 microcontroller and Bluetooth communication with the Dabble application. We'll cover everything from components to setup, coding, and testing the car in action. An RC car using Bluetooth is a remote-controlled vehicle that connects to a smartphone or other Bluetooth-enabled devices, allowing users to control its movements wirelessly through applications like Dabble. List all the components you'll use. ESP32, L298N or MX1508, RC car base with wheels, and 20 motor or DC motors, and battery pack. Let me explain the circuit design for our RC car project. First, we have a 7.4 volts Li-ion battery as the power source. The battery is connected to a switch, which allows us to turn the circuit on and off. From the switch, the power flows into a step-down converter, which reduces the voltage to 6 volts. This is necessary to safely power both the ESP32 microcontroller and the motor driver. Next, the ESP32 acts as the brain of the system. It receives Bluetooth commands from the Dabble app. The ESP32's GPIO pins are connected to the motor driver. Specifically, pins 16, 4, 18, and 17 control the two motors, allowing us to move the car forward, backward, or turn. The motor driver is responsible for driving the two DC motors. It takes commands from the ESP32 and powers the motors accordingly. The motors are connected to the wheels, giving the car its movement. Lastly, all ground connections ensure a common electrical reference. With this setup, the RC car can be fully controlled via Bluetooth, with stable power from the converter and safe operation using the switch. This is my PCB design for connecting the components. You can also connect them using wires if you prefer. This is my assembled RC car. Now, we'll upload the code to the ESP32 MCU. You can find the code in the description, or I've included a code explanation in the video. Make sure to go through it. Now, we're going to install and set up the Dabble application. Install it on your mobile device and open the application. You can find the download link in the description. First, we need to connect the ESP32 to the Dabble application. Click the Connect button and select the name we set in the ESP32 code. Once connected, click the Gamepad button to start controlling the RC car. Let's run and test our RC car. We can move it forward, backward, turn left, and turn right. Let's have some fun and play. If you enjoyed this project, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more DIY projects. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos.